Yes, sir. Thank you guys for tuning into the Alley Motorsports YouTube channel. Actually, I'd like to thank you guys for tuning back into the Alley Motorsports YouTube channel. I'm going to talk to you guys for a bit here. I'm changing it up. I'm going to start bringing you guys along with me to see more of what goes on with each one of the builds, more of the processes behind each one of the builds, and good God, more of the problems that I have with each one of the builds. That's gonna be a ton of content all on its own. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full disclosure because I don't think I have before, but this is not just an off-roading channel. Allen Motorsports is so much more than just off-roading, and in the next few coming videos you guys are gonna see exactly how much of a non-traditional approach I take to the automotive customization industry. But more on that in the next few upcoming videos. So let's actually talk about the meaning behind this video. It's an older video. I've filmed it a while back. To my new transmission builder, the new trans we got inside of Hercules is actually running good. It's running beautiful. To my last 2 transmission builders and the 6 different used transmission people I bought transmissions from, fuck you. But yeah, let's get back. So let's talk about the meaning behind this video actually. In the field of work that I am in, the department that I actually was hired on to, I was the youngest by far. And every now and again when I drive old Hercules here to work, the older fellas there will always tease me about having the tiniest tires. And as most people know, you know, Hercules tires basically measure out to about 40 inches, but you know, since it's on big wheels and all of that, they were tiny tires. So that actually got me wondering. I know this video is probably going to make it back to you guys. So I actually started wondering what would Hercules actually look like with tiny tires. So that's exactly what we went and found out here in this video today. I definitely recommend sticking around to the end of the video though. Pretty decent send off at the end. So without any more talking, enjoy the video. Walmart bag. Hit me up, Walmart. I miss you. Alright, but I'm gonna do it in slow motion so it's like a fucking 40-minute video. Please don't. Fucking phone will overheat. Shut down. It is not that bad. I know it probably looks ridiculous from the outside, but maybe it's the 120 psi that's inside of each tire, or just how much weight Hercules has pushing down on them. But it's actually driving pretty good. But it makes it. Second pullover in 300 feet.
It's a cheap thing. What the hell is even that? This is a super fucking obvious. Two retards sitting in the back of a truck pointed straight at the other retard truck. They're gonna steal it.
They just jump out right now and fucking take off with it. They'll drop it back off. I'm not even worried.
They wouldn't make it out of the parking lot.
They'd be like,
Just go into security mode.
Security mode just shuts it down.
At least it did its job.
No, because it wouldn't even know that it was doing it for that purpose.
Yeah, but it would have still done its job. I didn't open.
Well, I tell you what, little old Jimmy. That thing's a fucking cinder. Do you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah. I can see it.
To be continued. How did that boom sound? Because that bitch sounded violent.
I mean, I got it right up on it.
He fucking got shit himself.
I got right up on it.